Good morning, guys. Morning routine with new puppies. Good morning, Rain. Good morning, Gail. Come on, let's go outside. So I let Rain outside first. And she goes outside. As you guys can hear the puppies. And then this is their puppy area. We changed the living room around. Da 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 da. We got groceries. Ooh, and say good morning. Good morning, Storm and Nola. Good morning. Good morning. So then, as you can see, they cut up cardboard. Good morning, Storm. Good morning, Nola. And they are off and ready to play. Hey! And I usually put them in the pen. Come back here. Because as you can see, they're ready to eat. Come on. You guys are ready to eat? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. See, Nola hard-headed. This one you gotta pick up. That one's hard-headed. So I put them in their pen. Hi. Good morning. Yeah. I know. So I just put them in their pen. And she said it just comes around like that. Okay. All right, you guys, so I'll pour their food in. A little bit in each bowl, because you know puppy stomachs, they can't take that much. Okay. A little bit in each bowl. As you can hear, they're in the background tearing shit up. And then I use puppy milk. It's a replacement milk that they didn't get from their mom. It's for puppies newborn to 6 weeks. And I just poured a little in with their food. Just a little so that it can soften, because they still got little sensitive teeth and gums. So I don't want them to lose any of their teeth. Okay. So I just swig it around, make sure that all the food gets digested in there. You wait. Don't be demanding. That's Nola, y'all. That is one demanding puppy. Okay, so we just wait for a little bit. And while waiting, Mom takes her allergy medicine because I have really bad allergies. And yeah. All right, Nola. I have to take allergy medicine every morning because we stay in Florida and the dust and grass and everything else. My body ain't with it, honey. Okay, so I think it's a little soft enough. So I just swig it around like that. And we take it to the puppies. As you guys can see, Nola knocked hers over. Yep, feeding time for puppies. And yesterday, y'all, I got up early. I was up at like 8 something, fooling with these puppies. And I was just so tired at work. To the point I couldn't wait to get off work, man. I was so tired. But yeah, routine with puppies. Well, morning routine with puppies. It's something to get used to, definitely. Something to get used to, definitely. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. And make sure you click that notification button so you don't miss any videos. And yeah, stay tuned for our next video. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye, Nola. Oh, no, that's not Nola. That's Storm. Bye. Bye. Been up since 9. And it's 11 something now. Gave them food. They ran around like crazies. Little crazies. Did a little poop and pee. And now they're down for their little nap. Until next time, guys. Bye.